Hello. Let's get ready, ma'am. I'm in Zagreb, Zagreb. Welcome to Zagreb in Croatia. Croatia hariba country gi city name is Zagreb ko sida laye. Aduda any Europe ta chatpa matamda natraga US ta Australia da natraga any Asia akoigi si country ma'am se chatpa matamda ne continent sing travel to matamda akoigi charging plug se am tamana develop amaga aduda ida aina ngasi finally ke haide samdo khoi henge ne to matamda kano se agi straightener gi power magi plug se ka kano tawdaba chanadraba washroom da aduduna mapanda sidoina tawda yadraba sida namaga ai universal chargers na namaga sida tawba matamda mingzen yaudaba sidadi mingzen si yaudrabna kada ga matamda phone sida yengaga tawduribane ba phone sida video se on tawzaraga isa itomda yengzaraga di magena mirroring neba but why to waste my time kada wagi mapan thokradi ai video map se mafam amda phajana phammaga yamna kai hani yam calm oina video sing namdamne loina mag rush hour oibane ba ko chen bane ba amadema aduna ina okay I have the idea in toraga so Zagreb hariba lam se kogi Europe ta challe ko EU union da challe however makoi se Balkans ni ko Balkans area haibati akoigi mayam da suena khangam gani dum ko khangba mayam yaroga so Balkans ki matang da something yamna special oiba anything regarding the Balkans ki matang da comment da dum iro oba kai no dia koina comment se yamni important oiba comment se pa ba matam da comment se dagi koina pa gi ba plus minna ugi ba habse khoi je kaw roi duni it's knowledge kai khoi dum idea ma yeng duni khoina video yeng ma matam da ngang sin sinaga hiji kandi hindi ga hairi sing se pik pa ngang je chota bi yeng udagi ne ba duna khoi yeng ba pot khoi ge kok sita changi ba pot se khoi ge dum ningjang duni memorize taw duni ko aduduna video se yengna khangba mayam ama yengaga su na khoina idea lairaga su comment pirakhi matam da comment pa ba mi duna adum idea le hoduni akhoi su ai su video ga se semba hire ise dum mayam gi comment pa ba feedbacks adagi video yengaga ni na tra mi khuding ma hairaga polak pam tan te duna share always na khoina khangba aina video nga ai gi ai gi video sing se scripted am tan nat tabni na haitare ko aduduna adum iyo ba so Balkan se khoigi lam ai kano haitare se Serbia adagi Albania Bosnia adagi Macedonia adagi si Croatia ko si ma'am sine Balkan se khoigi makhoigi Europe side da like slightly well maybe ngam matam da khoigi Italy gi side opposite haitare ko Adriatic Sea have sigi thangna laiba kano lamduni ko ado Zagreb se makhoigi communist era ade Yugoslavia naga palamba lam haitare ko makhoi se yamna world war da yamna choba thaudang lawgi balam amane adagi plus mo historical mayam ama laigir ko to ngasi first time ne ina lai se ahanba oina ne ina Zagreb da lakase ado ai dear guests ko hotels there dragi gosti ado makoi maron sa pet kamai to guest yengi ko moi hotel ki site gi irambane ko I mean just hana thengna jimni nai su khangde ko please use the electronic device that are a part of the hotel room equipments hai ko molimo da electricine uredeje koji suvamna raspola ganzu koriste na prospisan izatu prebiten na sin hai ko okay this is all aduga hojik se winter ni ko aina lai se ngasi gi date hai ngasi se date 28 ki March ko 2023 ado anamba topa mapham da di khoi gi summer oi ba horam ni hojik spring hai tare spring season ne ba ko adubu se gi Zagreb da ngasi aina lakpa matam da ayuk se khoping am toy ba hojik se ma ayuk da natraga evening da minus lai ko khoi gi temperature sa wa do ngangi ai da sam khoi han ba nang ro ise matam say time is essence yamna ai gi da matam say yamna important oy tumba ga se every day, almost every day, except off kumba numit natana nungtigi alarm thamaga tumme ko exactly minute manga tara soina bayade OTP haise on time performance I will say am important no ko especially ko aviation da toba kangu gi damakta ko minute manga bu soi bayade ko punctuality se number one thing ne ko job sida yamna priority oiri se ko ko minute manga soi matam nang plane dong nang ngoi do ne ai plane thabak tobani na adum sida hainari ko punctuality se even adi off work ta hairaga su atopa matam ai duty nataba topa matam da su ai se adum masagi oina OTP haise on time performance di adum yauzare ko hojikti isagi skills oire haitare oh ai se charger utke tamaga kaure ai gi charger la thoke so comment toge si universal charger ne ina puise ko khudum makoina normally si singa ta use to ina ko makoi gi so EU gi di charging hole sa sumaina oi ko machama adagi US na chaga Japan na chaga China Australia Thailand gi na CCOI charging point se adagi Europe ki leire UK adagi koi Spain some parts of Europe ta na koi si se mo oi ko si se adagi koi kano da so oi Middle East jo si se oi charging point se what else aduga ai ulake Shisimo ko yun ne husiki nampam done aduga hotel manung ne ko hotel da di dum sigi charging USB si su yaure aduduna quite first I gi lam chat matam da essential most important thing say si shini ko si yaudra ba ai dum kape phone adum paira ga battery off oirani or else at least I gi backup plan haira ga ai laptop adum pui ko laptop sita magi multi charger haidi aigi laptop se C type ne ko C type oiraga so magi aigi atopa adapter extensions adagi adum ba ma'am puraga main chat sare karigum kana charger ga yaudra di adum lambi lam khang dagi charger ahong ba madum leiraga adumai seasona ba yam yawe aduga hotel nagi pi bisu yawe ko lam amade ama chat matam da sisne aduga I know ma aina packing to bogumba adagi lam chatpada important kari pack to gani khot kani haiba se adugi videos odum semake ko adi kanani mayamna lam chatpa matam da kai no important oise haide khoina yamna lightly when lobe wani ba lam ma chatpa matam da tum mudoini lam da chatlaga yum mama gi ta lai doine nong ma da season ba pot yadra ba essential oiba pot kauna magadi kaisho nangi journey de no ai ro doine ba charger kai se yum da yaudra ba yadra ba pone nang lam chat matam na charger yaurak traga di phone de dum use to ro da bani battery yaur ro da bani adugi awat pa nam ko like da number dum nang phalo aina semake and then plus ko piron da bo oiro lam chat pa gi tips hai tare ko ai sang ba kan no semake loire gi samse so total 7 minute da samse loire video. Good morning Zagreb to huzik pung kya tare se pung ama makhai tare and this is how it looks like from my room. So the metro station later makoi metro se the chene then se traffic jam na te ko se kenone parking area ne. Now I am all set to go 0. If you're wondering, this is my Playboy sunglasses. Folding because so that's how I carry. And it's super cold, but I'm not sure. I said this yagadra. So I have arrived at the center. So this is the patriotic statue ma leire ko ado kanano di khangde I will go and research about it my mami se kralze Tomislav hai ko the same thing I saw in the sure is se Balkan Albania da chapa madam da sure I think this is the same guy ado ko makoi gi parliament guma male se leise ko and these are the surroundings like literally on the right of the middle of the city ne Sigi city same it's the same like koi Czech Republic kumba adagi Bucharest aina hana chatlu mafam da hairaga di ko admaina manaye like ariba mafam se like a building sing se ariba ne ba ko adoraga so like a new generation peoples admaina haitare techno mix kind of like really a modern city haiga da ko adu historical area mayam di lei ba ko first thing first. Hojik lakpa matamda vending machine ne ba ko sida la cantina hai na makoi machine ne you just insert the money adu to nang lining ba poto cannabis hai tare ko weed agi makoi gi peppers and all the kind of materials sida ije hojik madung da ure da ko manung da loina phange right in the city na adu da na makoi ji sida legal ne. I love this street, guys. Look at this amazing and such an incredible and artistic street. I just love it. What is this street name? What is the name of that street? Radichewa ko isigi street se. And they have all kind of like the foods and I can see some souvenir ham shop like a singbo like the real wheat plants inside. They have so many cool stuff. I really like it. I mean, you know the vibe. Parang ginom chu hai ko. Sige beer se local beer ne. And the percent of the alcohol, the percentage is 6.5. 6.5 ko. Aduka fucking ipa ko is say. And it has a passion fruity kind of odor.
Always a part.
Very good.
So yeah, I'll be bidding for this plate.
Yeah.
This is the cheese, a croquette, and what do you call it? It's a pork inside, like a pork.
Haram. Everything haram.
Haram is a haram, guys. I'm sorry. This is
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
pork medallion and mushroom sauce with croquettes. Oh my god, this is a croquette. And these are sausages. Sausage, right? It's like a lamb or pork. Veal. Okay, so it's a baby pork. Veal are baby beef. Baby cow is a veal. They have like high in protein. Ang bakari ne ba ko makhong dagi restaurant me am la ani na adu daga mathak ta karaga there's a big church male started freezing khud ka se loina ni ba the best thing about the Zagreb Croatia agi ma ko any tap water is a drinking water ko si thak pa loina yai ko let's try si se loina thak pa yai ko safe to drink. Even I hotel manung dasu, they put like a empty bottle, which I can feel. So cool. And they have a cool cafeterias and bars everywhere. Hello, good morning. Another day in Zagreb. So the difference between yesterday and today is just the weather. The place and the people are still the same. However, the weather seems to be gloomy. What I was expecting is to be bright and sunny. Hadi urum da chatpa matam da inge ba aduga amumu marakta nungsa thoom kanda hakchang se like you feel so fresh and active. But today is like the whole place is like gloomy, dark oire. So it's a bit chilly. The weather report says as per the Google is like 0 to 18. So I was expecting something 15, but now it's like 11, 10 around the minor oiko. So it's gloomy. If you're planning to come to Zagreb, so expect a roller coaster or a moody weather. So bring a lot of thick clothes, thin clothes mixer. It's nice. This is a beautiful museum right in the city. Aduga the whole city, like they have so many old buildings which is colorful, like a mixture of a pale and a reddish building. It's beautiful. I just saw it on Instagram. Thank you. Start with the orange juice. Moye see the orange champagne, the coffee definitely, and this is the hotel. Waiting for my food. Ngarang the fountain sa ising thahaw da bani ngasi di tharame. And then as others so fountain at Chogum Lady. So most of the places Sigi Mapam say ishing marangkai balam oidoine cos mine fountain lady and then Sigumba fountain or Natragamoki anywhere public tap water tambasing sa Loinamak takpayako, ma'am Selina drinkable oeba. There you go. The tram is passing through. What I really like about this city has a lot of old trams. This one is new. This is an old tram. This is an old name. Malay si so. Si mama ko so malay. Okay. One. What's that tram? What's that? Another one coming. Good bag. It's a different color. Moi say sige public transport trams say yan like ko everywhere. Adu na car amta ude ko. Ude ui ba like rare masing thiba ya ba do khamra city manung the car thobu masing se yam de ko. Cycles everywhere like cycles se moi khoi ki application da install tor kan da tap tor ka thobu do adumai thodoine. Aduga trams na hena convenient oiba mali mi number trams adu su pack ni manung sida complete like super full. Manung sida hekta mi myam se namjalaga loin tonge ba khambra. So this is a very good thing. Most of the Europe city the trams loin mak thowe aduga car masing se yam thode the countryside gumba to pumpham da di thoram ni ba do sida di yam thode. So I will show you something. This is chestnut, right? What do you call in your language? Kesta ko. So this is a chestnut. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Mark.
Mar?
Yeah.
Mark. Tam. And how do you say hello to your language? Like on your language?
Hello.
Hello?
Croatian.
Zdravo. Bok.
Yeah.
Bok.
Bok.
I'm from India.
India.
Yes, we say namaste. Namaste. Thank you.
Thanks.
How do you say?
Hvala. Thank you.
Hvala. Thank you so much, Hvala. Sisine Yugoslavian matamgi metro macha tram hai tare ko. Delicacy, some dessert. Which one to try? Singarang try to right? So almost manai panna cotta si powder and rum what is this? Rum cookies. Cookies. And that looks nice. This one I will try. Bixbit. How do you say? Bixbit. Yeah. One piece. Yeah, and the bun. That bun. Yeah. Thank you. I have $. I use my Apple Card payment, but this gentleman he got me gift like a free dessert, like almost €2. He's a gentleman. Thank you. Wow. This is dessert achoba ani ne buko. Dugana I must say only cash accepted. Aduga card accept tawde ba khamra. Aduga paisa la ho yadre si se khamra dessert ani. Oh my god, gift. But I offered him $. Mana yarani namdana pisali. So people are kind here. Like a sweet bun. Amanda travel okay. Sisiga dessert Marie sure ano aina try to isa makan Marie mga suba manungda Sige Balkan areas ta. Diba? Especially Croatia se. Fruits kumba yamna produce tawbagi ko they made a lot of jam. Like same even white wine yam produce tawi se makoy fruits yam pangbagi na. Let's keep walking around 8,000 steps. Chatle pung ani pung ahumok sida ko duga sigi street se ma lai ba ko duga sida di mo kano sigi tram am chatta ba ngak tane sida na mo khoi gi kano ne residential area oi do nya sai se ko panam hawe lambi se it's like artificial ya male ko because it's beautiful aduga like khoi sida car ga lo ure sida di nga sai ga di car yam na uden na main road ta thok de but these are the residential area oi bagi moi gi building sing se yam na di ari ba ngak tane aduraga su yam phasana design taraga yam strong oi ba foundation sabani na yam chahi me am chat pazani thaina saramba building akane ba no ba construction kya ode duga renovation di tawe du me am do renovation taw bagi dum lambi da kaini kupsalaga laibdo adum ba mem uye same gat pa hai tare ari ba sing do aduga hanagi ariba mayam se adum maintain taraga yamna clean way city city like a super duper clean dustbin mafam cha thame aduga moigi police ama traffic adum parking area slot ko yeng da kitang soiba ma line hendo ka kham ba sa moina machine duna dum tak tak launa detect taraga na sakhi ba aina observe tawbane ko aduga sisda lari ba gari khami mam ze line sa amde hendok te ba magi mapa slot se building sigi mapa chap chana loi na phazana well mannered da thami ko adu duna city se even gari yam laiba matam da kaini mot han bagum oidana but sida di yam thina na le yam thina phazai I'll show you again to si se moi gi lekai ma da lak bani bai se lekai hai asi residential area oidani moi yum oidani ko apartments and buildings duka sida lari ba gari mam se loina mag phasna align tawiba moina piri ba grab sigi matung ina parking sing se cycle sida aduga plus lambi chatpham se makoi gi sida cycle gi aduga pedestrian gi tongana phasana khai to e si sine ko yam quiet oye it's beautiful aina hojik yamna chic residential area ne haido kanone ko diplomatic street oidoine koigi kaino embassy khara su ui ko sida ma koigi embassy sida aigi maningda Canada embassy leya adagi sida the president okay this is a hotel nene shop name is nene ai hojik tram chen ma pham yorakadore pung amadagi thoklakpani ba pung ahum makhai ahum tare phanam chatle non stop tane ngasai thoklak kan da hotel dagi lobby dagi charaga thoklak e ko du hojik lambi da khama ga keno chabai wan dessert chabai wan sida museum gallery ama laire museum gumba makhoi sigumba pavilion singse anamba yellow building a chocho ko oye ko sister overall city center looks like I visit direct maya yaure city center aduga atopa Europe countries adi makhoi sigi land singse mix taw give ko tram ga car gumba se sida di yamna like not all the places but sigai di dum mix taw loi ui maning mamang loi chatmi ne aduga tram se dum khame gari na pass taw matam da Sigi street ne diplomatic street ne hojik sida lak badam aduga weather is like moody fluctuate yam oi ko on off khanging adagi amung sagale no ain tawe nung sa se mung mamda bangan ba dum taw wi ngarum da khet kibani da Hola. Now, the final countdown of my stay in Vienna. Vienna is Zagreb, Croatia. Vienna ga khar manai ba sima phamsi dagine. So, as I said, moigi mapham se fruits and vegetables marang kaina phangbanina. Sisina same jam gi like cake haitare. Then bruschetta just normal like a puff, like a tomato flavor gi snacks. And khoi da hairagana watin habadani ko sise sesame crackers like ama hing da ya haga chabado hing da noisu ya yari haga chaba powder tum hagola kanaga chakti lamba nattaba duisu kano ma saning bodo ma khon thokpa ma sairi ge nungai bedo ko adu ne sise taduna adum ba se chips kumba oily ba chaga no yari ge dum khara dry oiba ma khon thokpa sai bada khadro khadro yaur kanda ma satisfaction oil bedo adu khoi loina mak sise phawani ko mi kuding ma. Then chocolate honge 80% cacao chestnut ki olives yamphangi marang kai olives oil chobama. This is like 1 liter, 10 euro. And then the Hawaii musori ga Hawaii mairong biga mix ne sisa anise. Sine lam chali kudingi magi lam hizik aina chatpa mafam supermarket to yam yaude ba pot chai ko hanjang na pi fresh oba yam ya hauda bagi leirak tre adu mi ari ba makai di ai fresh vegetable ngak leirak pane ba adagi olives so just like 2 euro dang oi ko sangom cheese yam na marangkai ko adu yogurt say every morning adum I smoothie dum same but tum hagola kana chak kumba thongba tanba or like thabak chenba kanda. So yogurt is like nangi base protein base oil ani sida nang oat ni khang de na traga akhoi cereals kumba hapchalani aduduna nangi carbohydrates lairani chak ke mahut ko adagi fruits and vegetable hapchalo aduga dry nuts kumba hapchalo aduduna fats lair they like the whole pack of nutrients ne du pulap smoothie do taraga thila thani aduduna pung manga taruk taret pauti pogodum thala laibane aduduna hakchang se te khathan bai tare ko adagi vitamin C moigi sigi ne Zagreb ta saba adum ne ko. So this was also like 24 tablets ne, quite cheap. So thamadi chatlani dum nong tham hai 30 tablets oiga dobune adu de marakta hapta amadi dum kaurani nongman natra hapta amda nongmani ni dum kaurani aduduna dum thamadi 24 tablets de chatlani ko. So this is all my end of this stay in Zagreb. Sisine aduga moigi aina ngasai habdane hotel ta moigi smaina bottle ahangwa pi ko sisna moigi tap water de yara thakpa yai or topa anywhere de si pura ga dum sakpa yare ahang pi se refresh refill and repeat sine ko ka the drinkable oi bane. So the water is free, the bottle is not. Filter water is available, refill at will. Check out our bottles for sale in the canopy central. Okay, so this bottle for the recycles. All right, see you my next destinations. Bye bye, good night.